Want to add to this feeling of FOMO and, you know, people feeling like they have to buy a bottle if they like the perfume. You absolutely don't. You don't have to own it. You can just smell it at the store, and chances are that once you've smelled it a few times, you'll be over it, or you'll move on to something else when there's something new available. So there's all of that, right? But I also like to share when I get something special, and this is truly something special because I've had a sample of this perfume forever. So I want to share the excitement. That's why I'm doing this. So this is Guerlain. The sales associate sprayed everything down with tobacco honey, which is the new launch that's coming out. It's available here September 8th. And right now they're just doing pre-orders. It smells amazing to the point where my friend brought this over for me, and I was a little annoyed that she smelled so good. I was kind of like, why do you smell so good? I knew it wasn't what I ordered. I knew it was something else. And then she told me that the sales associate had sprayed everything down with tobacco honey before she wrapped it. And that's what the strong smell was. I didn't ask her what she was wearing, but it wasn't her, it was this package. And I realized that at the end when I went back to smell this package, I was like, oh, this is the smell, and it smells like tobacco honey. So this is what I got. This is Bois d'Harmonie by Guerlain in L'Art et Matiere collection. If you're looking for, I'm so scared to open this. If you're looking for these bottles, they're only at high-end Guerlain counters, so you won't find them in Canada. You won't find them at Shoppers Drug Mart or the Bay. You're only going to find them at Holt Renfrew. So go there. They have the whole lineup. They can make you samples, even though they don't have ready-made samples. They can make you a sample of anything in the line. There's lots to choose from. So I would narrow it down to what kind of notes you're looking for. So the whole collection is very, I guess they've really isolated certain notes. So if you want a neroli, they have a neroli. If you want a jasmine, they have a jasmine. This one, Bois d'Harmonie, is created by Annick Menardo and fashioned after the Armani incense, or not the Armani, I'm totally butchering that. It's the Armenian incense. So the Armenian papers, that's what they are, and it's incense, and you burn the paper as the incense. This perfume is created to mimic that scent. So there's a smokiness, there's a resinous kind of facet, there's a papery accord that's in there, like a dry paper. Definitely for me, this is more of a cold weather perfume. It is like 30 degrees today, so I'm not going to wear it today, and it's going to be really warm all week, so I'm not wearing it this week. But I'm ready for fall. I am ready for fall. Like, this does make me think of like crisp leaves and the first snowfall and being cozy and inside. So these are only available in 2 sizes, at least in North America. They're only available in a 100 ml and a 200 ml. Of course, I got the 100. I don't think I need a 200 ml. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. Maybe I'll just do one spray because I wasn't going to do a spray, but I will just do one spray. And I was wearing my sample the other day, and I remember thinking, oh my God, I smell so good. I just smell so good. The interesting thing is that there is vanilla in the dry down and patchouli. And in some ways, like now that I'm smelling it again, I feel like it does remind me of Chanel Coromandel. It does. So, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just in a different, this is like borderline gourmand, I would say, because it is a little bit sweeter. And Coromandel is more patchouli heavy, but that combination of patchouli and vanilla and incense, that's very much present in Coromandel also. I'll have to wear Coromandel. I haven't worn it in a while, maybe a few weeks, but yeah, that's Bois d'Harmonie. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.